I got a fish. It's a miracle. It's a walleye.
Oh, what the hell? You can't buy a boat.
Gosh, Tim.
Oh, that's a drone.
Oh my God.
He caught the smallest fish and he caught it in his freaking belly.
Woohoo!
Go, Tim! Team Tim!
That's embarrassing.
Yeah, that's it.
This one bit. This one bit fair and square. Hello. This one's tugging. Holy cow. Hey, I got a decent one.
That's a nice minnow, dude.
No, dude, this is a 25. Yeah. Woo! Look at that girl. I got Bertha. Holy cow. There she is.
Hold it up to us.
I will, just a sec. That's Bertha right there. That's a 25 incher at least. Woohoo!
Look at this kid. He moves into my spot and catches a fish.
Yep.
Yes.
That feels more like a bass, man.
Does it?
Feels like a nice one. But maybe a walleye. It's probably a walleye.
Is it a bass or a walleye?
I don't know, but it's good sized.
It's a walleye.
Ooh, big walleye. No, pike.
Pike, yeah, I was just talking about him, dude. You should have had your camera on.
I do have it on.
Heck.
Oh, that's not happening. Holy cow.
Oh, man.
Oh, baby.
Got a nice slide mark there.
That's her in the middle.
That's her in the middle. Watch out, boys. Watch your lines.
Yeah, no, go ahead. Cast another one in.
Yeah, cast another one in, buddy. Who cares? Taking her to the island. The island of lost walleye.
That's the biggest pike I've seen come out of here so far.
Yeah, it's not that big though. I got her perfect. This hook's really bendy though, so I'm trying to take it easy on her. This hook is really, it's been bent too many times.
I don't know why I decided to follow you like a fanboy, but I did.
A fanboy.
I did. Well, you have my fishing pole, and I had to lift it.
I got you, girl. I got her.
Yep.
Nice
Let me
pike,
ho-
doodle.
Let me hold her up for the camera for a second.
Yep. We can get her on a weight. That's beautiful.
There she is. Nice quality, I don't know, 29-inch pike, you say?
About.
Yeah. Maybe. 27 and a half, 28. Take the official measurement.
I will.
Look at that tail, man. It's beautiful.
Cool.
Very cool.
All right, we got Adam Scott's limit. We got Jonah Hill's almost limit. And we got my, three of whatever. Those two big ones are mine, of course. And
You had to add that. You had to add that.
Just to clarify.